For the one time.
You already know how we going in this shit. Yeah. Little young motherfuckers funny. Caught up by the fella, I ain't think this shit was fair. Don't sell by the pen, I make it so while you work for the fella. Don't shop, you shop by the 8. Don't sell by the 8. Find little shawty as bait. Fuck with me, I don't date. Glock with me, never late. Ain't worried about you, shoot headlocks. Fast light, don't stop at the red light.
Told her bitch, hold her leg go. She tryna play me like a Joe. I ain't going for that bitch.
What's good, YouTube? So somebody wanted a POV drive, man. So in this video, give y'all a little POV drive. Me drive my 2012 Dodge Charger SRT8. You know what I'm saying? So everybody who new, make sure you hit the like button right now and hit the subscribe button. Make sure to hit the post notification bell, man, cause this channel right here lit, man. I don't know if y'all seen or not, man. Go check them old videos up. I hate this spot right here, man, cause it's like hard to see around this sign. Feel me? Like, look at this shit off and go. Dang, bro. This side always be straight. I don't know if be nothing out that way. Big car coming. Gone. Heck yeah, man. This channel right here lit, man. Y'all need to go check them older videos out, man, so y'all can see for y'allself. Is my shit turned all the way up? Nah, that's for that. I don't want that on. Yeah, that shit. Yeah, that's the goddamn. How is that motherfucker go for real? I don't know. I'll try to get a little brighter for y'all so y'all can see that junk, that sun right now, but it's crazy. I ain't got no sunscreen to block all this shit. When I get that, it'll be better for y'all. I'm gonna get that in the near future. Heck yeah, man. Oh yeah, I want to give a big shout out to y'all, man. Appreciate the 500 subscribers, man. We're finally halfway to my next goal, man. Finally, bro. I finally broke my first goal for this channel, bro, and that was 500 subscribers, man. I appreciate y'all. Like I said, man. Let's go on to the next goal, which is 1,000. You know what I'm saying? And hopefully, man, we get there soon, man. You know what I'm saying? This channel growing like crazy. Everybody really messing with the kid, man. SRT8 Pharaoh, you know what I'm saying? But yeah, though, man, I appreciate y'all, man. Y'all real live like a family, bro. Y'all a family to me for real. You know what I'm saying? Y'all make things happen. You know what I'm saying? That's what I'm doing, man. I'm trying to stay consistent for y'all guys, man. We gonna get it, bro. We gonna get it. They had to go somewhere real quick. I might have to go there. Let me see. It shouldn't be that far. But heck yeah, though, man. Get y'all the POV. We ain't had one of these since like I started the channel, man. I need to start back doing these. They pretty cool right here. Just let y'all see me driving and shit. And what y'all niggas want to see for real. Yeah, let me pull up the SRT page for y'all, man. The engine. Yeah, man. Got all that. Yes, sir. Got that emblem, but I ain't going on that curb, boy. Better get by. Yeah, by. Yeah, man. Like I said, I appreciate y'all, man. I finally hit the first goal for this channel, man. You know what I'm saying? First goal for the channel. Now we on to the next one. Bruh, appreciate y'all, man. And just to let y'all know, we not staying here. Like, I'm doing a lot of more things to this car, man. I'm telling y'all, y'all people who watch who not subscribed, man. Look, if if y'all subscribe, man, I promise y'all, bruh, y'all gonna be happy of all the content I drop, you know what I'm saying? Cause like, it's more in store for this car, you know what I'm saying? What y'all seen is nothing compared to where I'm going, you see what I'm saying? You see what I'm saying though? Probably like by the end of the summer, I'll probably be where I want to be at with this car. And it might not even be the end, because I don't like to put caps on my, you know what I'm saying, my time frame or anything, but it might be before then, you know what I'm saying? But yeah, man, this car right here, man, got a lot of potential. You feel me? A lot of potential. Heck yeah, man, I'm not done with this car. So if you're not subscribed, man, go ahead and hit it right now, man. What y'all waiting for? You know what I'm saying? What y'all waiting for? Y'all might well subscribe now. So you know what I'm saying? Y'all they ain't gonna be a part of the gang already, you know what I'm saying? Before everybody else come in and act like that was a part from day one. You know what I'm saying? Y'all folk really with day one, you feel what I'm saying? Heck yeah, man. But yeah, I'm on the way to work right now. So I'm getting y'all a POV with me on the way to work. Depending on how I feel, man, I might drop that jump when I get out of work. I don't know. I'm gonna try to record a video every day. How y'all want me to drop videos, man? Comment down below if you want me to drop videos every day, or comment down below if you want to see like me drop a video 2 times out of the week, but I'm dropping 3 videos in one day. You know what I'm saying? Like 2 days out of the week or something. You know what I'm saying? Comment down below which one y'all like better, man. Help y'all come up with my schedule real quick. Help y'all come up with my schedule. Cause I really could do either or, you know what I'm saying? I just want y'all to tell me what one y'all like. You feel me? Can't get y'all a little pull right here. That's what y'all really want. Yeah, man. A little pull real quick. Little pull, man. Little downshift. Little downshift for y'all, boy. Skate. But yeah, man, I just got some used tires on here, bruh. I got a video on that too, man. Bruh, I was bald, man. I did not know I was that bald. And that video that I uploaded, I'm gonna put it in the new video, because I know a lot of y'all didn't see it, because a lot of y'all don't watch the shorts, you feel me? But y'all watch the main videos, which that counts more, I think. Anyways, I'm gonna drop that onto a video, you know what I'm saying? Pretty much everything that's on my shorts is gonna get dropped in the video somewhere. You know what I'm saying? So y'all boys can see it too. So, yeah, man, them tires was gone, bro. I don't even know how I was riding on them things, but good thing about it, though, I ain't see no wire in neither one of the tires, so that's a good thing. You know what I'm saying? I got them just in time. I feel like if I had rolled over a nail or something, them guys would have popped or something, but yeah, ghetto, bye. Little POV, man, little POV. Ain't gonna be too long. I ain't really go crazy in this video, but it's okay. Can't go crazy all the time. I really think I got time to go do something else though. But yeah, man, I think that's gonna be it for this video though, man. I hope y'all enjoyed. Make sure y'all comment down below. Make sure y'all like. Make sure y'all subscribe. Make sure that y'all turn the post notification bell on, so if I drop a video, y'all will get notified. And even though, you know what I'm saying, I know that jump probably annoy y'all, man, just have it on for your boy, man. Cause look, you a part of the game. I'm like y'all brother, you feel me? You feel me? So make sure y'all turn that post notification bell on, man. Give y'all one more pull before I end this video, man. One last pull, man, for y'all make me burn all my goddamn gas, goddamn. Just playing. I'm gonna tell y'all now, all these pulls are in eco mode right now. I ain't even put that junk in goddamn track mode, none of that. I really be doing all my videos in eco mode. I hope y'all know that. I don't even really be in track mode, bruh. Y'all don't want to see that junk in track mode, but y'all want to see that junk in track mode, man. Make sure y'all give me y'all gotta give me at least about 50 likes on this video, man. I know y'all can do it. Y'all give me 50 likes on this video. I go in track mode and let y'all see that guy really snatch, you feel me? Cause I'm in eco mode, you know what I'm saying? I don't really come out of there, man. I don't even really be touching track or none of that on my junk no more. Like, I don't really be, you know what I'm saying? Really ain't no need. That car fast as fuck. It's fast as fuck, man. You turn that off when you get on the track or something. You feel me? You don't want to turn that junk off right now, boy. Don't goddamn get a speeding ticket like a mug. For real, boy. But yeah, though, man, that's gonna be it for this video. Like I said, make sure y'all like, comment, and subscribe. And come back to see another video, man. Cause look, don't let that be your last time. Come back and see another video. You know what I'm saying? Be a part of the game. You know you want to. You watching the video anyhow. You know what I'm saying? You ain't doing nothing. You might well hit the subscribe button, man. You feel me? Some of y'all probably at work right now getting it in, man. Better hit the subscribe button so y'all can come back and see this great content. You know what I'm saying? Before you forget. Before you miss your chance to hit the subscribe button, man. Cause you know YouTube, sometimes when you got leave it on the video and you go back, the video be gone, you know what I'm saying? Just hit the subscribe button, man, so y'all can still be in tune with all my videos, bro. You know what I'm saying? I don't want to seem like a begging nigga or nothing, but you feel me? Just go ahead and hit that subscribe button real quick, bro. Please, bro. Come on, man, please, bro. Real quick, man, for real. You know what I'm saying? I'm out. Hey, man, y'all just got lucky, man. I just hopped on the E-way, man. I'm gonna give y'all a quick pull on here. Quick little pull, man. This eco mode, bro. Eco mode. Eco mode. I don't even know how far I was going. I was looking at the road. Look. Get out my way. My damn way. Oh, this is eco mode, man. You know what I'm saying, bro? Well, I said ain't even no need for track for real, bro. Ain't no need for track really until you go to the track, man. So you get one of these cars, man, don't be crazy and drive in track mode all the time, but look, you only do that when you about to initiate a race or something, man. Turn that junk in track. Don't drive that junk in track, goddamn 24/7, but I'm telling you, bye. You gonna blow that motor up, bye. And ghetto, man, but look, about to get back off, man. Look, man, they're gonna be here for this video though, for real, man. Y'all better be happy, man. I came back, I gave it to y'all, man. Come on now. You gotta hit the subscribe button now, you know what I'm saying? Make sure you hit the like. Like I said, if you give me 50 likes in this video, god dang, I'm gonna drop a video of me going to track mode and going crazy for y'all boys, man. With that being said, man, I'm gonna see y'all in the next video. Pharaoh out.